We're looking at an 1861 United States government nautical chart. It's a preliminary chart of the Hudson River. It's one of multiple sheets, each complete unto itself. This is from Haverstraw-Poughkeepsie. It was lithographed by Knickerbocker in Albany. It's on a thin paper typical of this era. As you can see, the paper remains clean and nice age patina about it. There is a little bit of browning and small separation along this part of the fold line near what the center fold. We can see if I lift the paper up and flip it over like so, you'll be able to see that it's still structurally sound. There's a little bit of separation here at some fold lines. This is due, of course, to the strength of the fold and how long it's been folded up, and the fact that the paper over time slightly ages and becomes a little bit more on the side of brittle. And so this mid-19th century nautical chart is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.